So we're docked now in Tenerife, or however you pronounce it, Tenerife, Canary Islands. Very different than Madeira, that's for sure, with all these big apartment buildings where everything in Madeira was all little individual buildings. Get some shots here. This is nothing short of amazing. So we've come to the center of the crater. And these little spires down in the caldera here. Some unusual rock formations as a result of the volcanic action. Lots of lichen down in here growing out of the lava.
Which is the area of the towers with the telescopes. And, well, rabbits that are also quite plastic. But the question for us is to know that were no human representations or figures involved with that. The vineyards